One of the things I love about Spray Away Car Wash and Wax is that I can use it on the windows. So after I've washed and waxed my truck, I haven't even dried it yet, it's still wet. I grab the rag, I rinse it out, and then I'm going to use it for the windows. And then I will dry it. It's so simple. So I'll just show you real quick. So I've got the rag, I've dunked it into the car wash, and I've rinsed it to make sure, with the hose, to make sure there's no sand or dirt on it that could scrape the windows. And then I just wash the windows and dry them with a clean rag. It is just that simple. So I'm going to do the whole thing. I'll show you when I'm done. So as I was saying, I really like to use Spray Away Car Wash and Wax on the windows, on the inside. So either before I wash and wax my truck, I'll do the windows usually. Today I did not, for whatever reason. So I'm doing them now. But it's so simple, right? So I just take the cloth I used and rinsed it out. And then I'm just going to use a dry rag. You can use one of your most absorbent rags that you have. And you just want to make sure it's a clean rag. And look how clean that is. And it's so simple, and there's no toxic fumes, no ammonia. Yeah. And I mean, look at how beautiful that is. Okay? Just so simple.